I'll guide you through how to change the alarm snooze duration on iPhone, a long overdue feature that gives you more control over your morning routine. If you're looking to stop hitting the snooze button every 9 minutes, or you want to set different snooze times for your weekday and weekend alarms, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps to customize your iPhone snooze duration. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The classic 9-minute snooze is a holdover from the days of mechanical alarm clocks. With iOS 16, Apple has finally allowed you to change this, giving you the flexibility to choose a snooze time that works for you from 1 to 15 minutes. Here's how to change the snooze duration for a brand new alarm. Open the Clock app on your iPhone. Select Alarms. This is where all your alarms are managed and where you can create new ones. Tap the plus icon to take you to the alarm creation screen. Set your desired alarm time, then tap Snooze Duration. This new option appears right below the standard snooze toggle. Use the scrolling wheel to choose a time between 1 and 15 minutes, then tap the check mark to save. Your new alarm is now set with your custom snooze time. You can also change the snooze duration for an alarm that already exists. Here's how. From the Alarms tab, tap on an existing alarm. This will open up its settings, allowing you to edit it. Tap on Snooze Duration. Again, this will open the scrolling wheel. Choose a new time and save. This is a great way to have different snooze durations for specific alarms, such as a shorter one for a morning workout and a longer one for a leisurely Sunday. You can even customize the snooze time for your wake-up alarms that are part of the sleep schedule this way. In the Clock app, tap on Change next to your sleep wake-up alarm. This allows you to modify your sleep schedule settings. Scroll down and tap Snooze Duration. Select the new time and tap the check mark, and you're done. Now that you've learned how to change the alarm snooze duration, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.